Hello, this is Ipshita from dreamstodestiny.in, and here I am with another interesting topic which is requested by a lot of you in the comment section of one of my shorts, which is titled the Role Reversal Method. So, without wasting much of your time, let's directly get into the video. If you're somebody who is in this journey of manifesting their specific person, your day to day schedule could be looking something like this. You're constantly on social media, checking if they have gotten back to you or not, if they've texted you back, if you're unblocked or not, thinking about different scenarios in your mind, blah, blah, blah. Hence, you are basically in this painful loop of lack that you're experiencing all the while. And what we want to typically do is cut this exact cycle and flip you into more empowering script, flip you into your SP's role. They get to play your role and you get to play theirs. Right? So what happens through this is you are stepping into the role of the prize, whereas you were earlier the desperate pursuer, and they get to be the one who are going to actually look out for your affection and long for your love, if that makes sense. Now, for a second, let's talk about why your traditional visualization fails. Let's assume you have closed your eyes to visualize that they are telling you, I love you, or they are committing to you. Your mind is going to scream all the time, it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. So, how do you shut that voice? It's through this particular method. Why this psychologically works is because you are directly cutting through the resistance. As you're assuming the role of your SP, you are going into a more calmer role, right? You're somebody who has zero anxiety about receiving that affection. It's just very natural to your core, you know, being adored, being sought after, all of these emotions that you're experiencing now, it's natural. Hence, there's no resistance internally. Now let's cut to the chase and get to the real thing. Okay, how do we actually implement it? So I'll teach you how I did it for myself so that you can replicate it in your case. This is going to consist of a two-part meditative visualization. So in the first part, what we are going to do is get into a meditative state, take few deep breaths so that your mind is in that calm, composed state to start off with that visualization. In the first part, we are going to visualize about your SP. Imagine them in whatever environment you feel is more natural to them, like where they would be in their day-to-day lives, maybe in their office space or in their drawing room or in the road or wherever you feel that it seems more natural and comfortable, put them in that state. Okay. Now we visualize that they are checking frantically through their phone. Your number pops up and they're wondering why this person hasn't texted me. When is this person going to text me? I'm actually feeling a lot of anxiety thinking about this person. Does this person love me back? Is he or she going to return my affection? Okay. I really want this person so bad. Okay, that's what they're thinking. Saturate your mind with that kind of thought. Okay. Now intensify that feeling. The feeling is exactly going to feel like how you are currently feeling about them. So you need to see them in that state. They are going through social media and looking at your pictures and thinking, oh wow, this person is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in this world. Okay, so yeah, that's about the first visualization. In the second visualization, you again go into the same meditative state and then visualize your own self. See your own self and think that you are very calm, very composed. It feels very natural and normal to you to receive the affection of your specific person, and you feel absolutely relaxed around it. You're like, okay, no big deal. Like, I am somebody who totally deserves to receive all that love and affection because I'm worthy of devotion, I'm worthy of being pursued. It's natural. It's actually a cakewalk, no big deal. So you're in that kind of calm energy so that psychologically you can shift into a state where you have normalized receiving love and it feels very core to your own element. Your meditation ends here. So you realize that this is the dream self concept that you want for specific person manifestation. Now, coming to my real life results, I have used this particular method twice in the past, and I have received results overwhelmingly fast. The first time it was after 3.5 hours of practicing, the second time it was actually 9 hours. If you're somebody who is looking forward to moving beyond basic techniques and moving into a more empowered state to manifest your specific person, then I'm here for you. Please get in touch with me through my 15 minutes free discovery call, and we can brainstorm together how to get your SP back faster. Description box has all the necessary details. Do subscribe if you want to have more such interesting insights on SP manifestation, because we talk a lot about that in our group. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next video.